everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre, and today we are going to see how the month of July 2020 is going to be for all of you. Many of you have been inquiring about my tarot workshop, so thank you so much. It's almost full and I'm so grateful to all of you for the amazing response that you are giving for our online tarot workshop. We do have I believe 1 or 2 seats left, so you can contact my team on 9820533750 in case if you want to enroll for the online workshop. So I will just tell you that we have 3 piles as always: pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. Just ask yourself, that dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how will my month of July 2020 is going to be, and you can pick up any one pile that you're attracted to. To make it easier, I have put magician cards from different decks on the pile for so that it becomes easier for you to choose. All right. So as always, we are going to also see your love messages for the month. We are going to see your rune messages for the month, your angel numbers, and what are the crystal messages for you. All right. So if you find this particular video useful, you like it, then do like this particular video. Do write in the comment section what do you feel about this video, and also do subscribe to my channel. All right guys, so focus on the 3 piles. Ask yourself this question: dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how my month of July 2020 is going to be. All right. Hello group 3. So let's see what the angels are telling about your July 2020. Okay, so you have got 5 of Cups. All right, so definitely there would be, I feel that your mind is going to be fogged. Okay, you're going to be confused as to what you want. There will be something that you wanted to happen in July 2020, but it did not happen, so it's kind of disappointing. The angels are telling you that rather than focusing on what you have lost, focus on the whatever you have. There is wisdom available to you. Okay, there is a lot of wisdom available to you. You can see the mountains behind, so a lot of wisdom is available to you, but see the clouds around her head. So you need to clear that fog out. You need to forget about this 3 cups which has kind of lost. Focus on what is working for you and you will definitely go ahead, because as you can see, these 3 cups are in front of her and blocking her way. All right, so and she is just not seeing ahead, okay, the way she should. So if you go to see, she still has 2 cups. So rather than focusing on what is not working for her, she should remove this from her path and just go ahead. Okay, the next card that you have drawn is 2 of Pentacles. You guys, you got more tarot cards than the other. The cards just fell out for you guys. So 2 of Pentacles, which means a lot of balance. You'll have a lot of work. Your hands are going to be so full. You'll be so busy multitasking in July 2020 that you will be kind of tired. Okay, that oh my God, I've got to do so much of work and so much of managing. But you know what, the sun and the moon in this card is telling me that you will use both your intuition, you will use your intellect, your wisdom, and you will ensure that you're able to balance this beautifully. The next card that you have got is 3 of Wands. Okay, so 3 of Wands is telling that there will be help available. There would be you will have to plan your month properly so that you're able to pay attention to all that needs to be done. There would be help available, so ensure that you take the help and do not have this complex that I can do it on my own, because since you're going to be so busy that you may feel overwhelmed. Okay, so ensure that you take help. All right, I also feel that some of you have been waiting for something to happen, so you will get news regarding that. Okay, maybe you're waiting for some parcel or you're waiting for some project or something. I also feel that somebody is going to spot your talent. Okay, is what I'm getting. The next card that you have got is Wheel of Fortune. As I said, lot many cards just flew when I was shuffling your shuffling for you. So Wheel of Fortune is a card of changes. So yes, the month may start with, lot of, the work may overwhelm you, and you may feel, where am I going? But you will be able to, manage it with help, and things will start changing. It will start going in your favor. Okay. Also, the next card that you have drawn is a card of Justice, which means all this journey of yours, okay, from being overwhelmed to working hard to collaborating, to taking things in your control and moving, all this work that you have put in will result in, you receiving justice, is what I'm getting. Also, July 2020 will be a month of karma for you. So whatever you will sow, you will reap. So whatever you give to the universe, it will come back to you multiplied. So ensure that you give only good things, because since you'll be overwhelmed, it may so happen that you may snap at your family or your loved ones. So avoid doing that. Do not hurt anyone in July 2020 and otherwise also, but especially you have to be very careful, because whatever you will give will come back to you multiplied. So give good, give kindness, give a lot of love, and you will receive that. The health message that you have got is massage and prayer works. So I feel that this particular group may have, since you'll be so burdened, you may start having stomach issues. Okay, so the angels are asking you that, just relax, don't get stressed, because too much of stress will affect your digestive system. So take rest. Okay, if you need, you can ask your partner or maybe your family member to give you a nice relaxing massage so that you feel better. I also feel that, I feel that this particular batch, kind of tries to pray but does not get really this July month. It may so happen that you may not feel like praying, or you may not get time to pray. So to ensure that you remove some time out to praying, because praying is nothing but creating positive energy, which you will definitely need because of the kind of work that you will be having. The finance card that you have got is abundance mindset. So over here, as you can see, the mindset is not positive. Over here, the mindset is neutral. Over here, the mindset is of, planning. And over here, the mindset is of change. So the angels are asking you to have an abundant mindset, to think positive, to ensure that you focus only on what you want. Okay, because if your mindset is going to be positive, you're going to create a positive mindset, you'll definitely get the results out of it. What blessing is going to come your way? Wow, you have got joy. Okay, the card of joy. So all this hard work that you'll be doing, you will get a lot of happiness out of it. You will get appreciation, you will receive gifts from the universe. Okay, the next card that you have got is perfect timing. As I said, you have been waiting for something, so definitely whatever you have been waiting for will happen. However, you should ensure that there is no delay from your end, or do not procrastinate, because if you procrastinate, you're sending the energy of procrastination, and what you will receive in return, more of procrastination from the universe. Okay, more of delay from the universe. Okay, so definitely whatever you have been praying for will happen in the right divine timing. Okay, now let's see what runes you have got. Okay, so let's see. Okay, you have got the rune, beautiful rune. Okay, you got this beautiful rune, which means success, it means good health, it means strength. So as your cards are also saying, there is a lot of strength. Okay, you will need that strength. And the card of joy is also telling the perfect timing, that yes, you're going to receive a lot of success. Do pray and do take action, so that you have a balance, okay, in praying and taking action, and you will see the month of July will be completely in your favor. Now let's see message for singles for group 3. Friendship again. Okay, just like group 2. Warning. Oh my god. So guys, singles, I feel that for group 3, I'm feeling that your friends are going to warn you. Listen to them. Don't ignore their whatever they are saying. Also, it may so happen that you may share things with your friends. So understand who are your friends and who are not your friends, and only then share what you need to share. I also feel that you may meet somebody via contact, or you may start finding a friend of yours more than a friend. Okay, so you need to figure that out. But you will meet people who whom you will be attracted to, but there would be, your intuition will warn you. So listen to your intuition. The angels are going to warn you, so listen to the angels and don't dismiss. Okay, don't dismiss whatever the angels are telling you about. Okay, now let's see for married. Dear God, Goddess, pile 3, group 3's guardian angels, married couples, committed people, what love message you have for them? Patience. Okay, and that's for the card. Go slow. My God. All right, so clearly you guys have been waiting for, over here also got a card of timing. Oh, this is also talking about divine timing. So definitely, you as a couple, you have been praying for something. So whatever you've been praying for, be patient, go slow, don't be in a hurry to get it. It will happen when the timing is right. Also, the angels are asking you to be patient with yourself and with each other, because you're going to have such a hectic month in the initial stages. After that, you're going to reap rewards. All right, so you need to be more patient with each other. You need to spend more time with each other. Also, the angels are telling you, that try and understand each other, be more loving and kind towards each other. Okay, now let's see what angel numbers you have got. You got number 76 and you got number 50. So the number 76 is saying that you are on the right path, especially where your work and the material things are concerned. There would definitely be changes for the better, and the creator is going to support you throughout these changes. Okay, so nothing to worry. Now let's see what the crystals messages are. Oh, lovely. You got the clear quartz and the rose quartz. So beautiful. So the clear quartz crystal is telling you that it's time to think about what you desire. Okay, it is time to put into the universe whatever it is that you want to manifest. You're going to have you have to be very clear in your thinking if you want to go ahead. Also, you have to be very clear in terms of your action. The crystal is also asking you that you need to raise your vibrations by being more positive and praying. The rose quartz crystal is saying that love yourself and be more loving and patient towards people around. Do not get into any kind of verbatim or any kind of arguments. Be more loving, kind towards others. All right. So group 3, this is your message. If you liked this particular message, do write in the comment section. I do read the comments. Also do share in the comment section what next pick a card reading you would like me to do for you guys. And if you feel that this particular reading is going to be useful to any friend of yours or anybody whom you know, do share this video with them as well. All right, thank you so much. This is Sheetal Sipan Matre. Have a great day ahead. Hello group 2. So all those who had chosen this beautiful magician card, here is your reading. So let's see what your tarot cards are saying. High Priestess. So this particular month in July 2020, your intuition is going to be skyrocket high. You're going to be able to understand a lot of things which your soul is trying to communicate with you, which your higher self is trying to communicate with you. You need to, this particular month, you need to keep your plans to yourself. Do not share it unless and until it is required. Also, I feel that you guys are going to be quite spiritual. You will be able to see things clearly. Your intuition is going to tell you exactly who is the one whom you need to trust, whom you should not trust. I also feel a lot of knowledge downpour is going to happen for you, especially in terms of spirituality. I am also feeling that people are going to look at you with a lot of respect for all the kind of knowledge that you have, for all the kind of wisdom that you have. You may find yourself being surrounded by people who need your counsel, who need your expertise. You'll also find that there will be many people who would just come to you and confide in you, even though you may not even know them. So some maybe some long lost friend or some old colleague may just ping you and share with you out of the blue things, and you will be like, listening to the person out and trying to help them, especially with your wisdom, the kind of intuition that you have. The second card that you have drawn is Hierophant. So definitely a lot of learning and teaching happening in July 2020. And see, both the cards are cards of spirituality. Okay, there's a cross sign, so a lot of spiritual growth happening in July 2020. You will find yourself going inward. You'll find yourself spending more time looking up on YouTube or on Google, things about spirituality. You will take up spiritual books, you will listen to spiritual gurus. I also feel that this particular pile is a pile of healers. All right, so definitely lot of there would, your intuition is going to be so bang on in July 2020. Listen to it carefully, guys, because it's going to give you lots of guidance, especially for your personal and professional life. I also feel that some of you have been having some sort, you have been taking a lot of burden. Okay, so you need to release that burden, which is resulting in a headache. All right, this is what I'm getting. So you need to stop stressing so much, stop taking so much of burden, and it will really help you. But lot of spiritual growth, lot of learning, lot of teaching, and earning lot of respect. You're going to get so much of respect, guys, in July 2020, that you are going to be amazed. The next card that you have got is Queen of Pentacles. Wow, what a card to get. So a lot of money coming your way in July 2020, especially because of the kind of karma you have created by helping people. You have been so kind to everyone, irrespective of their status, irrespective of whether they can be of any use to you or not. You have been so kind to everyone. So definitely a lot of good karma coming your way. You will definitely be earning a lot of money. Your bank accounts are going to be very happy in July 2020. And if you're not into spirituality, you will find yourself getting attracted to spiritual topics. All right, the next card in terms of money that you have got is dreams of abundance. So here this card is telling you, it's time to think big. Okay, you have been trying to rationalize everything by saying no, I don't think so, this is the right time. But the angels are telling you that stop thinking small, think big. Okay, because this month there is a lot of support that is going to come your way. I definitely see a successful and a highly respected person, okay, coming to help you out. All right, so they're asking you to start dreaming of abundance. Don't think small. All right, and there are going to be a lot of you are going to receive ideas in your dreams. Okay, as I said, the spirituality card. So you are going to get a lot of answers while meditating, while sleeping. So ensure that you note them down so that you don't forget them later on. All right, regarding health, you are going to listen to your body. Okay, because your body is also going to talk to you. You have been trying to either gain or lose weight, but that's not happening. So you need to consult a proper nutritionist who will help you to understand and create a diet or exercise schedule according to your body type. All right, I also feel that some of you have been trying to lose weight, especially near your stomach, near your waist. Also, I feel that many of you have stomach issues. So this particular card is telling that you need to eat right, you need to drink right, so that your, because your body keeps on telling you that, hey, you're not eating right, hey, you need to drink water more often, which you don't, you kind of ignore it. So the angels are asking you that you need to pay attention to your body, listen to your body. Only then you will find major improvements happening in your health. All right, but I do see, if I see over here, there's a half moon, okay, and this pentacle, it kind of, it's a pentacle she's holding, but I feel it also looks like the sun. All right, so I'm over here feeling that and all three of them are wearing crowns. Okay, all three of them, they are wearing crowns. So definitely I feel that power. Okay, if you see all three of them, they have power. Okay, so this, in July 2020, you are going to empower yourself, or you are going to receive power from some authority. Okay, but definitely your position is going to be better socially, is what I'm getting very, very clearly. The blessings coming your way is, notice the signs. So over here, okay, I'll keep it over here. So you are going to get a lot of signs from the universe, okay, which you need to listen to. And over this card also told us that you're going to get ideas, like for example, you'll just be sitting casually having a cup of tea, and suddenly you will have this bright idea which will lead to abundance. So don't ignore this signs which the universe is giving you. The next card that you have drawn is creative project. So definitely there will be a project coming your way. As I said, you'll be either empowering yourself, or you'll be getting power. So definitely you will be working on a new project, on something which is completely new, a new idea, maybe a new project. And this new project or this new work is going to bring in a lot of abundance, lot of prosperity, and you are going to be so happy with it. All right, this is what I'm getting from your cards. Now let's see what your runes are saying. Before that, let's see what the love message is. Okay, so we'll finish all the cards together. So love message for pile 2 for singles, friendship, and warning. Okay, so the angels are telling you that the angels always give you warnings whenever you're meeting somebody new. They tell you exactly that this particular relationship is not going to work, or you're wasting your time, but you tend to ignore it. Even your friends tell you that don't go ahead with this particular person, he or she is not meant for you, but you tend to dismiss it. But in July 2020, ensure that you don't dismiss any red flags. Even if you feel that something is wrong, pay attention to it. Singles, also they're telling you that you may meet somebody via a friend, or you may meet an old friend, or you may start realizing that what you and your friend shares is more than just friendship. All right, but overall, over here also you got the card, notice the signs. And this particular card is also telling you, do not dismiss any signs. So pay attention to it, guys. Don't dismiss any signs. Now let's see love message for couples who are married for pile 2. Rejection, okay, interference. All right, so I feel that couples belonging to pile 2, that you may find that maybe your partner's friend, or maybe your friend, or maybe your relatives or your partner's relative may interfere in your relationship, but don't let them interfere. Okay, reject all those people who are trying to interfere in your relationship by telling you that your partner is wrong, or you are right, or you are wrong, your partner is right. Okay, don't let, because you have the wisdom. Okay, you have the wisdom to understand what is right, what is wrong. So don't let anybody else interfere between you and your partner. Second, you and your partner are trying for something, and it may so happen that in the first instance it may not work. So don't get disappointed, because the rejection will actually be a divine protection. It may so also happen that you want something and your partner may not want it. So don't get upset over it, because whatever is denied, okay, is actually a request which you will be blessed with later, or it will be a request which which you will receive in a better way, okay. But this rejection is going to be a divine protection, so don't worry about it. All right, now let's see what your runes are saying. Okay, so your runes. Okay, wow. So this particular rule is saying that there will be sudden changes, unexpected changes, which may surprise you, but understand this changes or this particular things, okay, which may suddenly unexpectedly happen. This is actually a blessing in disguise. So don't get upset or overworked because of it. All right. Now let's see what your angel numbers are saying. So you have got 62. Wow, 38. Okay, so 38 is clearly saying that Goddess Lakshmi and all the divine angels, goddess of prosperity are happy with you, and they are going to bless you with lot of abundance. And you got the Queen of Pentacles card also, which is again talking about abundance over here. And the number 62 is telling that have faith, all your material needs will be met. You will also do shopping related to luxury products, and definitely you'll pay attention to yourself also, because number 6 represents the planet Venus, which is a planet of love and luxury. Okay, so numbers are really good. Now let's see what crystals are telling. Okay, so Angelite just dropped. So Angelite is definitely telling that there is 3, and again you're going to and see the spirituality cards. So expect your angel connect to be better. The divine is completely supporting you, helping you, communicating with you. So listen to the divine. Don't just write off any messages that you're getting from the divine. The next that you have got crystal is Tiger's Eye, which is again a crystal of prosperity. It is a crystal of confidence. So be confident, be like a tiger. Do not be scared, do not be afraid to say a no to people whom you think are kind of eating your time. All right, then the next crystal I got Labradorite. Okay, I don't know whether you can see this. Can you see this? Yeah. So this is a crystal Labradorite, which is a third eye crystal. It shields your aura. So Labradorite is telling you that listen your intuition, listen you're going to see images, okay, you're going to get a lot of visions. All right, and these visions are answers to the questions that you have been asking to yourself since a very, very long time. So pay attention to the visions that you're getting. Also the crystal is asking you that you need to keep things to yourself and not just go blabbering it out to people. Do not share it unless and until your project has got completed. Okay, so group 2, I hope you enjoyed your reading. If you like the reading, do like this particular video. Do write in the comment section what resonated with you. Also, if you think somebody can benefit from this video, do share this video with them. Thank you so much. Hello pile 1. So for pile 1, this is how your month of July 2020 is going to be. So let's see. The first card that you have drawn is 5 of Cups. So definitely this month is asking you to be more grateful for all the blessings that the divine is giving you. It's asking you to focus on the cups which are full, that is whatever the divine has offered to you, rather than focusing on what has still not, happened in your life or what you have lost. Okay, the angels are also asking you that it may so happen that you would be helping a lot of people via counseling, by telling them about what they need to do. You'll be guiding a lot of people is what I'm getting. So you will be bringing in a lot of happiness, joy, by your words, by helping people who are not really doing well, who are depressed, sad, or who are low in general. Also, I do see that there will be some sort of disappointments in July 2020, in the initial stages of July 2020, but I feel that you will find the strength to come out of it is what I'm getting. Also, I feel that some of you are facing skin issues and are really worried about your skin. Okay, and the angels are asking you that don't be so worried about your skin. You will find the right doctor or the right treatment to ensure that you come out of your skin problems. The second card that you have drawn is the wow, lovely, Nine of Pentacles. So Nine of Pentacles is saying, as you can see the transition. Okay, here the girl is crying, but she is then transforming into this confident girl. So whatever the challenges that are going to be there initially, all right, in your July 2020, all these particular challenges you're going to overcome, and you're going to be really very confident. I'm also feeling that there will be a lot of opportunities coming your way, especially if you are in business. You'll receive a lot of recognition. So it's very important that you appreciate this recognition and the rewards that the universe is giving you. Some of you may also be attracted towards nature. You may see pictures on Google, or you may just wish that you could go to a place where there is a lot of greenery around. You may I feel that you may beautify your surroundings by adding some elements of nature in it. Also, I feel that there will be you will be receiving a lot of appreciation for your work, especially for your work. There'll be some sort of crown coming your way. This crown is kind of an acknowledgement from the universe for all the good that you are doing. All right, the next card you got is the Queen of Wands. So you see how the transition is from being low to being confident to being super confident. Okay, so you will you will definitely you are definitely going to take things on in your hands. And see the crown. Look, I told you, right, when I opened this card, that there will be a crown that the universe will place on your head. So if you can see, there's a crown on this beautiful lady's head. Okay, can you see the crown? Yeah. So this particular card is telling me that you are going to be super confident. You're going to ensure that you are going to work on your mindset. You're going to work on your looks, on your wardrobe. I'm feeling that you are going to ensure that whatever it is, whatever life will throw you at the beginning of this month, you're going to convert it into an opportunity and come out of it successful. All right, so you will be like this for a very short period of time, but the whole month you are going to be so positive. All right, I'm also feeling that you are going to be, your creativity, your enthusiasm, your energetic levels are going to be really very high, and you're just going to look forward. You're not going to look back at all. You are going to be like, whatever happened. I'm going to make most of out of everything that life is offering me. And see, in this, there is nothing that she is holding. Okay, her hands are completely, she is in grief. But over here, in one hand there is a beautiful bird, and in both hands she is holding a wand in one hand and a flower in one hand, which clearly shows that the hands that were empty will be completely full. Okay, full with happiness, enthusiasm, creativity, and power. So awesome, so awesome this this particular month is going to be for you guys. Then financially, the cards are asking you that, take help, okay, take support. Don't be unnecessarily competitive, try and collaborate. If you want to really be successful, then you need to address your insecurity, you need to overcome your insecurity, and focus on teamwork. Be a team player is what this card is also telling you. Also, it is saying that you can get opportunities, whether it is work or the business, via a contact. All right, so try and maintain really cordial relationships with your contacts, because an opportunity will come out of them. Also, they're asking you to collaborate. All right, the next card regarding your health you have drawn is Jesus the Divine Healer and caffeine free. So the angels are asking you to have a control on your chocolate intake, on your tea, coffee, green tea intake. All right, because that will really help to boost your health. Also, this particular card is telling you that you have divine grace, okay, when it comes to healing. All you need to do is connect with that spiritual power to help yourself to mentally heal. Is what this card is telling us. Also, this card is telling is that Jesus is a master healer, Jesus Christ is a master healer. So connect with him so that he really helps you to heal. All right, so this is your health reading. Then what is coming, your blessings coming your way? You got the card of innocence and you got the card of letting your past go. So clearly this both cards are resonating. So what you're going to do is, the blessing coming your way in July 2020 is that you're going to let go of all the past disappointments. You will stop looking back, you will just move ahead. You're going to let go of toxic people, you're going to let go of all those memories which were not serving you. The other blessing coming your way is innocence. So by this card, I am seeing a lot of love coming your way. I'm seeing people who are trying for a baby. Some of you will get good news regarding a baby. Also, I feel that when both these cards are of creativity, okay, Queen of Wands also represents creativity. So definitely a lot of creativity is going to come in your life. You're going to start something new. In fact, I feel that you're going to completely transform in July 2020. You're going to ensure that you take more care of your health, of your body, of your mind, is what I'm getting very, very clearly. I feel that also there would be a lady who is going to help you to get that confidence that you're looking at. This particular girl is going to help you. A lady who's very confident and very successful in her own career is going to definitely help you. So overall, a beautiful month, guys. Now let's see what your runes are saying. Okay, so let's pick up your rune. You have got, oh lovely, you got such a beautiful rune, guys. This rune is for divine interaction, it is for gifts. So no wonder you guys are going to get gifts. All right, because if you're going to transform like this from Five of Cups to Queen of Wands, this particular transformation definitely is, it's going to require, it's going to be like a divine transformation. So definitely a lot of gifts coming your way, divine gifts, divine interaction coming in July 2020. Now let's see how the love life is going to be for singles. Okay, so let's see. Pile 1, singles, love life, strictly sexual, longing. Okay, so for singles, okay, what I am clearly getting is that you will meet somebody who may you're going to meet two type of people. One type of person will be somebody who just is materialistic, who is more interested in your money, in your body than you. Okay, and there will be another person who would be somebody who really likes you at your soul level, at your who likes your mind, body, soul, who likes you entirely as a package. All right, so here you have to really, you would be asked to make a choice. All right, and I believe you will be able to make that choice, because from here what I can see is desperation, and over here I see is self-love. Okay, so clearly I feel that you will have to make a decision, and you will make a decision to go for a person who will like you as an entire package, and just not a part of yourself, is what I'm getting for singles. Now let's see love life for married people. Okay, okay, all right. So for married couples, okay, what I am getting is, a, you will have to forgive your partner, your children, if you have children, in case if you want to have more of harmony, is what I'm clearly getting. I also feel that, as I said in the card before, that some of you will be blessed with children. Okay, so definitely that also I am seeing. I feel that you and your partner needs to give more attention to you as a couple. Okay, because you have been paying so much attention to your children and ignoring each other. So yes, it's important to be a great parent, but it's also important to give time to yourself and your partner. So that I think you will have to do in July 2020. But I see a lot of forgiveness happening and is required for you as a couple to move ahead. And also I feel the ones who are having teen children who are giving you a hard time, pile one. So you need to understand that it's a phase that your child is going through, and they will grow out of that phase, and they will understand all that you do for them. But forgive them right now. Do not hold any grudges against anyone. So this is what your love message was. Now let's see what crystal message you have. Okay, so you got 3 crystals. One is carnelian, which talks about relationships, harmony, creativity. So this particular crystal is clearly telling me that career will be of focus in July 2020. Yes, you will be successful, because carnelian is a stone of success in career. I also feel that you will pay a lot of attention to your relationships. Also you will be asked to give attention to your sacral chakra very clearly. The next crystal that you got is lapis, which means communication is going to be a very, very important key. So ensure that you communicate with love and forgiveness, and not out of do not be hurtful in the choice of words that you will be using. Try and use more loving, more kind, and if required, assertive words, but nothing aggressive or hurtful. The next crystal that you have drawn is moss agate. Now moss agate is a crystal of prosperity. It is also a crystal of moving on. So definitely, as you can clearly see from your cards, okay, that moving on is going to be very, very important in July 2020. Okay, because that's so clearly that has come up in your cards. So definitely you will move on, and prosperity will definitely come your way too. Now let's see what angel numbers you have got. Okay, you have got the number 6, number 58, number 10. So yes, your material needs will be provided for. I feel some of you are going to receive the money that was stuck. Okay, some of you. I also feel that the creator loves you, and you will have to focus on what you desire than what you do not desire. You need to focus on situations, on memories, on manifestations that would raise your vibrations. All right, that's very, very clearly your numbers are telling me. So pile 1, this was your reading. I hope you enjoyed your reading. If you loved your reading, do write in the comment section what resonated with you, and do subscribe to the channel, and do share this video with everyone whom you think will benefit by seeing this video. Thank you so much. This is Sheetal Sapin Matre. Have a great day ahead.